What's up, folks? Welcome back to the channel. We are here in Orlando, Florida right now, and we're at the world's largest McDonald's. This is located at the intersection of I Drive, that's International Drive, and West Sand Lake Road here in Orlando. Let's check out the world's largest McDonald's and see what they got inside. Let's go. We're heading in through the front entrance here. This is the main entrance, and it does have a double lane drive-through as well. But apparently this McDonald's has more than the ordinary, so we're gonna check that out. I heard that they sell pizza here as well, and this is a vacation destination here in Orlando, Florida. We're on I Drive right now. There's Icon Park just in the distance there with the Orlando Eye. That's the big sky wheel here in Orlando, and the Orlando Star Flyer. You can see their double lane drive-through right there. And this is what it looks like from the front. All right, let's head inside and see what's up. As you come in, you can see they even have an elevator here, which is pretty interesting. I've never seen an elevator in a McDonald's before. Over here you can see the pizza stations where they make fresh pizzas here at this McDonald's, which is pretty crazy for a McDonald's. This is the area where you place your orders. The menu in this area looks pretty similar to the menu we all know, but on the right here I do see like they have made to order items, which is pretty interesting. Over here they have dessert stations. We got cookies, apples, apple pies. They even have ice cream here at this McDonald's. And this will probably be the first McDonald's I've ever seen with ice cream. Over here they got cakes. Interesting. So this McDonald's has a Playplace as well. So I'm gonna go upstairs and show you guys what they have up there. And the Playplace here is on the upper floor, as you can see. As we come up to the upper floor, you can see this McDonald's has a large play area in here. There's a full-blown arcade inside this McDonald's, guys. That's crazy. Over here they have the play area for the smaller kids. And then a second level seating area. This is the elevator here that brings you up to the second floor. let's head back downstairs. Alright peeps, so that's it for our video here at the world's largest McDonald's here in Orlando, Florida. We're on I-Drive and West Sand Lake Road, and that's where it's located. So it's pretty cool actually. It has pizza stations in there, dessert stations. It has an elevator. I've never seen an elevator in a McDonald's, but this one has one. They have a Playplace as well for the kids, as well as an arcade area for bigger kids. So definitely something to check out as well on your vacation here in Orlando, Florida. Come check out the world's largest McDonald's and see what they got to offer. I'm gonna end the video right here. Thank you guys for watching. We do appreciate you watching our videos, and we'll see you in the next one. We have a bunch of videos here in Orlando, Florida coming up. Check out one of my other videos, maybe on Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort or Disney's Riviera Resort. We'll have the links to those videos in the description down below. Subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this, and we will see you in the next video. Take care and peace out from the world's largest McDonald's here in Orlando, Florida.